Tired of the same old wings? I give you Peruvian chicken wings. Stay tuned. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Let's start getting our preps ready to make those incredible grilled Peruvian wings. A couple hours before I even fire up the grill, I'm going to get a couple things done. First, we're going to make the creamy jalapeno cilantro sauce. So, into a blender pitcher goes mayo. We love the Kewpie. You may have noticed so far I haven't said an amount. That's because, dear friends, down below in the description section, there is a link. Take you right to galleyofthesun.com where you'll find the full recipe. Next ingredient, Greek yogurt. Next, we got some jalapenos here. We're going to lop off the stems, cut them in half, and then with a spoon, scoop out the seeds. Now, if you want a hotter sauce, leave the seeds in. We are not so much about heat here, but flavor. And without the seeds, you'll get plenty of flavor. Now that they're destemmed and deseeded, I'm just going to rough chop these because they're going in a Vitamix. They'll liquefy. A couple of rough chopped green onions, good healthy bunch of cilantro, juice of a lime, good pinch of salt and pepper, and a little bit of olive oil. We shall blend that till it's smooth. That's going to go in the refrigerator until it's time to serve. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup, and then next we'll make the wing sauce. I don't think I mentioned at the beginning, but I normally like to do all of this outside. However, it's quite blustery, and I don't want to be chasing the ingredients all over the backyard. For the marinade, got a burner back there on medium-high heat. I have a dry skillet here. I'm going to add some cumin seeds. Add those to the skillet, and we're going to toast these for about 30 seconds to a minute. Just to get the good aroma released, get those oils released, toast them a little bit. Once you begin to smell them, you've gone far enough. Now these are going to go into a spice grinder and we're going to grind them into a powder. Why didn't I use ground cumin from the very beginning? Because I want it toasted. This is the only way to do it. And our toasted cumin powder goes into a blender. Next goes the star of this show, some Aji Panca paste made from those incredible peppers from Peru. You can get that stuff on Amazon. There's a link down below. To that we add garlic, some red wine vinegar, some of Spiceology's achiote seasoning, some achiote oil, which we made ourselves here at the Galley of the Sun. There's a link down below for that too. And a good pinch of salt and pepper. You know, if you do love Mexican cooking, Central American and South American, you do need some annatto oil or achiote oil on hand. So check that link out. Now this all gets mixed up in the blender. We'll add that to a small bowl and set that aside until it's time to sauce the wings. Absolutely beautiful color. Last prep thing we need to do besides seasoning the wings. For that, we will use Spiceology's SPG. If you're a frequent viewer of the Galley of the Sun, it's well documented the director's disdain for separating the drummy and the flat after they've been cooked. So, we're going to do it before, utilizing my badass Dow Strong Obliterator Cleaver. So after separating them, they go on a wire rack. Then they get seasoned with the SPG. They go in the fridge until we're ready to grill them. So, we'll see you when it's time to fire up that grill. The charcoal was lit. Then it was poured into the vortex. Now that grill has been preheating for about 15 minutes. Next thing we're going to do is give it a spray so our wings don't stick and to make easier cleanup. The grates are lubed. Let's get the wings on. Here is the plan. we're going to let these go for about 35 minutes before the next step. When we put the lid on, the vents will be full open. That'll create a hot spot right underneath those vents. For every 15 minutes, I'm gonna rotate that a third of the way around. So you know the plan so far? Let's get those wings on. To add some more smoke flavor, I am going to throw a chunk of apple wood into the fire before I get that lid on. There we go. So we'll see you in 35 minutes for the next step. Our wings have been in the Weber for 35 minutes. Remember that we seasoned them a couple hours before we put them on the grill. That was to dry the skin out to promote crispy skin. Now we're going to do another step to give us crispy skin. And that, my friends, is the application of a cooking spray. And if you have it, use duck fat. We will let those go for 5 minutes, flip them, and then hit them again. So we'll see you after that step for the saucing. Duck fat has been applied to both sides of the wings. They are looking super crispy. Let's get them out and get them sauced. So into my bowl here, I'm going to dump that sauce we made earlier with that Aji Panca paste, and then we'll dump the wings right in there. All right, get them all tossed and coated. Beautiful color. Oh, you can hear how crispy that skin is. It's going to be amazing. All right, I'm going to get these back on the grill, let them go for 5 minutes, then we'll pull them off and we'll get some judgment from the director. See you then. All right, these are all done. Now we got our Peruvian princess, the director, to tell us how we did. A dainty bite like a princess.
Very good. It's got that really smoky flavor. It does.
Mm-hmm. Sort of like a chipotle, but more fruity.
Oh, sweet, yeah.
Okay.
I like it.
Very different than a buffalo wing.
Oh, yeah.
Very different than chipotles. All right, there you go. I promised you a different taste. I brought it to you. Give this a try. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.